So, hello, I am Melanie Kate and I forgot to film an intro for this video, so I am editing it now and I thought I better put one to it. So I am teaching you how I myself, the lazy Melanie Kate, creates or makes her curtain bands look nice, so how I style them basically. Yes, I have injured myself, so I'll explain that in the second clip now, because this will be the first one. But I hope you enjoy. I hope you find this helpful, and yeah, that's it really. Enjoy. Okay, so I was going to film that I washed my hair, but I had to, my bubble had to come around and wash my hair because I chopped my, so this bit, is down here now because I was cutting an avocado and the knife went through and into my hand. How fun. Anyway, this is my hair. It is semi-dry, and for me to do my own hair rather than just, because I'm so lazy and not just drying it, you can see even like now it's going back that way because of the curl in it. So the way we have learnt to do it is pretty easy actually. Let me just put the rest of my hair back so the fringe just falls forward. By the way, I didn't go any hospital or anything for this. I've just it stopped bleeding. It's just quite thick, like the cut still. So my mum, who is in my bubble, she is coming over tomorrow to see if I need stereo strip, like butterfly stitches or not. But anyway, this is it. This is my fringe. It's growing out now. In fact, it looks quite light, a lighter brown than I on camera. But right, so you get these, which are just Velcro rollers. This is really hard because I'm not looking in the mirror, but just place the end in. And stick it to your head. Place the end in. Stick it to your head. And then you are good to go. I'll take the rest of my hair out and go to sleep now. And then we take them out in the morning. So for me it's like 9:30 now. I'm going to bed for 10 and I'll be up at 8, and then I'll straighten my hair hopefully. If not straighten it all, I'll just straighten the fringe just to show you, because it's quite hard with a messed up hand. Anyway, that is how I go to bed. Your answers to is this uncomfortable? No, it's not. I sleep solidly till 8 AM and, or most nights, touch wood, I hope I do that tonight, and it doesn't bother me at all, because even if I lay this side on my head or that side or whatever, these just sit on the top of my head and don't move. But they just they do the nice wave back in my hair that I like with my curtain bangs. But obviously you probably see in the vlog, that last week's vlog, my mum does my hair on a Saturday because it's freezing cold to wash your hair in here and whilst you're having a shower because of the stupid heating. Like, even though whoever washed it tonight, she washed it and she said that my bathroom is hotter than hers, which does not make sense because she's higher up, so it should work. But anyway, this is how I go to bed. I'll be back in the morning and show you what they look like and then straighten them, just so that it stays, so it just gives the flow back better really than just straightening them. But when my mum does it, she uses the curling brush, the brush that looks like this but with the brush on the end, and curls it back, and then it just stays anyway. So this is just my version of it really. So this is how I've woken up. You can see they're still all intact. My hair is tucked into my jumper at the moment because I'm about to just log on to work, because I've got to do some stuff before this meeting at 8:30, which is pretty soon. So I just take these out normally. Also, you can hear it's raining. a lot, so I don't really necessarily want to straighten my hair. So I just take these out for an, I'm going to take these out for now, but then I'll come back and straighten it and show you. Oh. But you can, so it's okay, it's curly, but you can see it gives the like the volume and then flops back. And the same with that one. So I'm just going to chuck it up for now, and then I'll be back. So I just plugged in my GHDs, and like last night, I'm going to take the rest of my hair, which would normally be straightened, but I'm not going to straighten it today because, as you can hear, I think, it is raining. So this is what they look like, literally. So all I do is just straighten them out a bit. So I just straighten them, but I've got it tucked under, but you want it to go back, if that makes any sense. The other way I do it, once I've done it like this, I'll show you. There's a mirror here, by the way. So once I've done that, just to get the volume in, I need to get this all up, or keep the volume in. I pull it all up, and then I'm tucking the GHD back, like under how it was. So there you go. And that gives me the volume, and just flick, you want to flick the ends back so they're not like in your face as much. And then there you go, there they are. This one's a bit curvy in, so you just want to take the ends and just tweak them to be pulling them back. Well, like that you don't want. So you kind of feel like folding them under to get it back. There you go. Then you take out the rest of your hair. If you're having it down, it's probably straight, but mine isn't today because it is raining and this top is like huge. And then they just fold back into your hair. I'm going to just put my hair up in a bun for today, but I'll show you some photos of me with it up and down. But even like so it's just got that volume in it, and that's what I like. Even with it just curly-ish kind of, or whatever this is, mop hair, it looks good, like, because it's not in your face as such, but it's flicking back just to put that volume in. And that's what I really like about them. And then they've just got a bit of a feature around your face. Anyway, they are the curtain bangs. How I do them, my mum does it really pretty similar. She's just using the brush to turn it up, but I'm not as clever as her and I can't do that. But when I eventually get the Dyson hairdryer in set, I'll try and do it for you like that. But for now, this is it. I hope you enjoyed. Give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.